Hello and welcome back to Merseybeat Gardening.
And where are we, Phil?
We're not on the plot today.
No, it's not as hot as this on the plot, Phil.
No, we're in Africa.
Well, it is, isn't it?
We're off the north
Northern
coast of
well, we're off
Africa.
south
of Morocco.
Of Morocco. Yeah, yeah.
On the island of Capri.
Lanzarote.
And it's a bit different this time because we're here because we're sick of the rain in Britain, and so we thought we'll treat you to some sunshine.
Come and say hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
Who is there?
Say hello.
Hello.
This is our tour
I'm
guide.
Radmila. Adios.
And she's very good.
Very good, thank you very much. So that's our tour guide, and so we're going to take you on a tour of one of the most unique places in Lanzarote, and that's the Cactus Garden.
And one of the tallest in
apparently
the
so.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this was set up by
César Manrique.
César Manrique, who was an artist, a celebrated artist on the island, and he set up this this fantastic garden. So we're going to have a look round, aren't we?
We are, definitely. Yeah.
So come and join us. So this is quite spectacular. What a beautiful cactus garden. I do like cactuses. I like growing them. We grow a few at home, but obviously they don't get to this scale. This is something else. I think someone said on the coach that there's about 6,000 cactuses in this garden. Can't be sure, but it's quite amazing. Look at this place. Shout out if you know any of these species here. Look at this, isn't it incredible? Cactus garden.
Tiene que ser talla, claro. Quiero que salga la palabra.
Unique. Unique.
Non, pourquoi pas? Attendez. Regardez. Personne à droite me doubler. Et je laisse les gens, mais pas vous. Attends, vous êtes ici?
Ah oui, bien. On dirait exactement le robot.
J'ai trouvé des cactus. J'ai trouvé des cactus. Mais ils sont... Ah ouais! Ils sont trop jolis. Wow, regardez ça.
Some nice cactus. Which is the tallest one?
I don't know.
Have you seen it yet?
What do you think of them?
I think they're lovely.
Have you been down this bit before?
No, I'm just coming down this way now to see it.
Have a look at the toilets here.
Oh, are they them?
Do you want to go up the stairs? Have you had a look around here?
No, I've been over there.
You really need to go and have a walk through here.
Queste che abbiamo anche preso, che abbiamo a casa, d'inverno diventano verdi perché gli manca il sole. E poi sono
Ce l'abbiamo in crema.
ce l'abbiamo anche a casa. Li ho portati a casa.
Quelle âge vous avez?
So, what do you think about the
Jardín de Cactus. Oh,
yeah,
it's
the
fabulous.
cactus garden?
Yeah, it is. It's brilliant. I love it.
It's lovely, isn't it?
So many different ones here, and a lot of them are actually in flower.
Yeah.
You never see we've never seen our cactus flower at home,
No.
and we've got a nice selection of them.
Yeah. Now it's quite early in the morning here, so
Yeah.
it's not too hot.
But it
And
is busy
Yeah, it is
because
busy.
all the coach loads
But
come
apparently it gets busier during the day.
in the afternoon.
Yeah.
So if anybody's coming out and wants to come here, come in the morning
Yeah, come in the morning.
as early as you can.
Yeah. But yeah, if you grow cactuses at home, you might like to leave a comment and tell us what you think.
Yes.
And if any of your cactuses can compare with these.
Have you seen the flowers there on some of them, Phil?
Yeah,
They're
some
amazing.
of them are incredible.
They are really amazing.
Yeah. So we're going to go back to the coach now and go on to our next stop. So I hope you've enjoyed our little vlog from North Africa. Politically in Spain,
yeah.
So it's still part of Europe, I suppose.
But the temperatures are
certainly North African in feel. And so if you have, then please leave a comment and share on your social media. And
like, subscribe, and
do
click
all
the
that.
bell.
Yeah. It's a bit of a change to see a gardening vlog.
A cactus gardening vlog, Phil.
Oh, see ya, yeah. So,
Okay.
yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye-bye.